It's coming to you. Oh, these are my blocks, Mommy?
Yes, those are your blocks. What are you doing with them?
8, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Here's my card.
Andrew, you want to go in your rocking chair? Wow, look at those cards.
Did Grandma and Grandpa give me them?
Yes, Grandma gave you those. She got them from her school.
She did?
Yes, she did.
Well, can I play with them?
Of course.
But is this a robot?
Is that a robot?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Can I see it? Oh, nice. I like it. Can you count again? Andrew?
No.
No?
No.
No counting?
No counting.
That's a M. Is that a monkey?
That's M meaning monkey.
M means monkey. You're correct. Let me see the monkey. Can I see the monkey? Oh, what a nice monkey. Wow, what are those?